G'day viewers. I thought I'd get a video of my old brismead exhaust fan made by Email Air Australia. And there's some other bullshit on here too, model numbers and crap, but I won't get into that. It's not very often you actually see one with a built-in mesh filter. Very interesting. They certainly don't make them like this anymore. Turn it on and give it a shot. Not the most powerful thing, but it probably get the job done back in its day. It's have to be close to 40 years old. Not bad for something that's been sitting in a drawer for, oh shit, 30 or more years. Would explain why it's in such good condition. Pretty quiet too. Thank you for watching.